Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to do your eyebrows. Well, I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows because I had someone that was supposed to do an eyebrow tutorial for you guys because I already have like a pretty decent set of eyebrows, so I really just fill in. But she decided she didn't want to do it at the last minute, so I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows. I'm going to start off with a gel. This is the Boost and Set. And we're just going to spoolie these. This is clear, which I appreciate. My eyebrows are dark, so I mean, I really don't need the extra color very much. Like, they're pretty thick. They're some big girls. Okay, so then I'm going to take my brow pencil after I've spoolied that all out, and I'm just going to follow the shape that I already have, like that. Apparently I was pressing too hard. And I'm just going to make some strokes at the front of my brow. Line the bottom a little bit. Stroke it, stroke it. She's a little thick, but my eyebrows are pretty thick, so again, line the bottom. Line the top, but don't start at the same place you started on the bottom. Come in just a little bit more. And I already have an arch, so I'm just going to follow that. And I might make my tail just a little thicker because this side's thick. Like that. I could probably trim this tail up a little bit. She's a little thick. She got all the ass and thighs. And then we're gonna create some hair strokes at the beginning, like that. You don't want to go too hard because you kind of want it to look natural, and actually it would look natural if I had some really crazy dark eyebrow hairs, because I have some crazy dark eyebrow hairs. But we want like pretty natural and not crazy natural, which is what I have. So then you're gonna, about here-ish, not at the very tip, but close to it, you're gonna and bring it back. That way you still have the brush strokes at the beginning. And that is how I do my eyebrows. That is it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.